Hello and welcome to session 2. So now we're going to introduce Scratch Code. This program was introduced by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, known as MIT. So coding languages are basically a set of instructions. The language consists of a set of commands. And Scratch Code allows you to visualize those commands. So whenever you're typing your code into a free source code editor, known as, we'll use Sublime or C++, or Notepad++. Scratch Code allows you to have a sprite and tell it to do, a sprite is a character, and have it command that character to do a certain number of things. So it basically teaches you, here's a command, you're going to plug it into a program, and you're going to tell that character to do that command. So it teaches the basic fundamental principles of code. So we're going to go through Scratch MIT right here. First, you're going to want it to run Adobe Flash, so you click Allow. So when you go on Scratch Code, you want to go up to Create. And after you click Create, it's going to load up. So this character right here is known as your sprite, and these are your commands. So this is your command list. This is where you're going to drag and put all your commands. So how we want to start any sort of code, you want to start with an event. So we're going to use this command. When the flag is clicked, we're going to ask our sprite to move a certain number of steps. So how this will look is when we click this flag, our sprite is going to move 10 steps. These are 10 steps in the sprite world. So we can change this to move any number of steps we want to. So we're going to say 50. So when this flag is clicked, we're going to move 50 steps. That was 50 steps. And I mean, when we're making code, we don't want only one thing. So we want it to do a bunch of things. So let's say he's going to move 50 steps and say hello for 10 seconds. He moved 50 steps, and now he's saying hello. It's going to count down 10 seconds, and then he's going to stop. And then you can go through a whole bunch of stuff here. See, he stopped saying hello. And then we're going to say, let's repeat this twice. So we click the flag. He moved 50 steps. He said hello for 10 seconds, and then he's going to do it again. And now, after he does it twice, we're going to turn him. Let's turn him 180 degrees. Change this to 3 seconds. Change this back to 10 steps. So let's click our flag. See, you already turned 180. There you go. So basically, this Scratch Code allows you to go through a set of commands. So our first command is when the flag is clicked. So we click the flag. It's going to move 10 steps and say hello for 3 seconds. And then it's going to repeat that twice. And after it repeats it twice, it's going to turn 180 degrees. So I could go through and add a whole bunch of commands right here, and it would just do exactly what I told it to after clicking this flag. And then I could end it. So this doesn't have an ending tag, but in code you would want to end it with a certain command. But that's about it. That's Scratch Code for you.